If you're just joining us, I'm Lucy and this is Mark. In 2018, we left Korea and now we have explored over 50 countries in our tiny home on wheels, Tubi. Good morning, Tubi crew. We slept well inside of the gendarmerie office and we didn't shoot anything for security reason for them because that is like a military police station. So today we are gonna go to Morocco. We are gonna cross the border from Mauritania to Morocco, and it's so weird. Like whenever we try to leave the country, it is raining. The road from here to the border will not be easy because we experienced before, and it will take a while. But today we are gonna go to Morocco today. Good, we're good to go.
Any dirt roads today, huh?
Oh, look at that sand.
Yeah.
He's leaning towards, like the right side.
No, he's definitely leaning, but
Yeah.
it's just his whole chassis.
Oh, see? Right? 주유소인 거네?
Yeah.
I think it makes sense because I read it on the Overlander. They said some of gas station doesn't have a pump. They have to, put they have just a bottle of the gas. They have to fill it up in your car by yourself. The road is bad. Oh, look at the water bag. That water bag is 2 water bag. Guys, this is not the bad part of the road. We have another road will come later. It is bad, but it's not the worst, right?
Unfortunately, there's about 50 kilometers more of this before we get to the worst part.
Oh my god.
Can't skip this one.
Oh,
We
you can
just go
skip.
through.
Oh.
There we go.
La.
Yeah, any pothole's okay if you just go slow enough.
Yeah, I'm glad that we don't have any traffic today. No cars, so no pressure, except the holes on the road.
But even if there are cars behind us, there's still no pressure because I'm not going any faster than this.
Yeah. Let's keep going. Yeah. So we record our kind of like route, and I'm gonna show you. So far we were driving 95 kilometer, and then movement duration is 2 hours 32 minutes, and the average speed moving is 8 kilometer per hour. Yeah, it's unfortunate. And then the thing is, we have to go 107 kilometer more. Google say it is like 2 hours 30 minutes, but I think to us it will be 5 hours. Yeah, I just waved to the other traveler with a motorcycle. This is definitely the longest trains going through in Mauritania, right? The train track is really interesting. I really want to do. This is my wanted to do list, but I heard that it's really extremely hard, so I gave up. I think my health condition is not good enough to jump on the train. Open it with the chuckles, right?
I stopped her.
안 된다고. Okay, we are heading to the border now, right?
Oh, this is that road.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Suddenly changed. Oh, wow.
Oh, maybe we gotta use that road.
Yeah.
Side the dirt road.
Yeah, let's see.
I think we did eventually climb up.
Right. Wow.
Guys, we hit that road we talk about, the worst road. So this is paved sections. You can see that the road are missing. So this road we're gonna take, and then our Google map doesn't even tell us the speed either. Good. Cheese. Alright. 썸네일 찍으러 나갔다는데 쉽지 않네. Okay. Guys, we are right in front of the Mauritania border, and we're gonna turn off the old camera. I'm hiding and everything because we don't want to have any trouble like last time. Okay, let's go to the border. There is a 15분 만에 끝났다.
Yeah.
Border crossing.
How was it?
It was fast and quick.
Yeah.
When it took only 15 minutes, no one asked for the money. And then last time, the big boss,
Yeah.
the border guy, he had a pain in the back pain. So we gave them the little, like kind of pass. And he came over to us and say hello and he said thank you. I guess
Yeah.
that one worked for him.
Yeah.
So I'm happy. Last time I thought oh, everyone is asking medicine. I need it too. I was kind of upset, but but it worked and it helped him. It's nice. He looks happy, right?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
good. If someone is in pain, it's not a good, to say, but it worked. Huh?
Yeah, but the road's not looking good.
Yeah.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Mauritania.
Guys, from here to the Morocco border is a no man land. So nothing in here except Mark. Mark is spacing out.
Is it for us?
So it used to have the kind of car junk in a car graveyard or something like that, but it's cleaned up. So it's empty, nothing is in here.
That's the Mauritanian border right there. This is no man's land. Morocco is right over there.
Now we can see Morocco flag over there. 너무 다른데? 모리타니아랑 모로코 국경 가는 길이랑 너무 다른 거 아니야?
Yeah, Morocco infrastructure is way better, huh?
Going to the Morocco, you can see from the road. This is a main road, yeah, and then pretty nice, right?
Yeah.
실기 스무스하나.
Yeah.
Awesome. Guys, we are close to Morocco border and I can see the towers, 1, 2, 3, like a Hakenes telecom tower. Finally, it means I can use the data. I didn't have data over a month, right? I just used the marked one, hotspot things. Oh, nice. I can be independent. Die on data, yay!
Yeah.
Okay, we are gonna get close. Okay, I'm gonna turn up the camera too, okay? Guys, we crossed the border. We got in Morocco. Mark went inside and then taking care of the car insurance right now. So are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, finally you're smiling.
Tired, but I'm happy.
그 며칠 동안 힘들었지, 그 운전한다고. Just
Stressful.
say
It was
it's
stressful,
true.
yeah.
Yeah, stressful. Now your shoulders kind of go down a little bit.
Yeah.
어깨 좀 내려왔고 아까 전에 몸도 막 앞으로 막 이렇게 갔는데 이제 좀 웃고 한다. Good. Road condition is good. We are pretty happy. Oh yeah, nice speed.
She was slower.
80 kilometer per hour. Let's go. I hope that I can eat touching tonight. 맞아. 여기에 사람들이 여기 화장실이고 쓰레기 버리는 거. So where are we, Hania?
We are at a Moroccan restaurant.
주인 아저씨한테 물어봐야 돼. 우리 여기서 자도 될지. Okay, let's go eat something and then ask them they're cooking, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's flooded inside. 완전 flooded. Bonjour. Assalamu alaikum. Camping? Camping?
Can we sleep in our car? No, like very difficulty. Our car is
We have a
there.
car.
Yes, it's okay.
Yeah,
It's
it's
okay.
okay.
It's okay.
You have food, but I see it's kind of.
Yeah,
Wait,
right.
Yeah.
Stand sharp.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
All right. Thank you.
Guys, we wanna eat at the restaurant, but unfortunately, I guess Morocco had a lot of rain, so that restaurant has a rain is kind of on the floor, right?
The roof is raining.
Yeah. So we checked with him. I think the restaurant itself is not in condition to cook right now. So we decided to make a convenient meal. It is, I don't know how to say it in English. It's military meal. It's kind of like a military meal.
It's like camping food.
Yeah, camping food, easy.
Like you kind of just add water and rehydrate.
Yeah, so we are gonna eat bibimbap tonight, and then simple. Just boil the water and put it in here, and then wait.
But they're letting us camp here.
Oh yeah, they let us camp here. So it's a good spot to camp tonight. Okay, I'm hungry and the Mark is hungry for sure. We are gonna quick eat and chill, and then tomorrow another day to drive.
Do you want 소고기 or 제육볶음?
Either is fine.
Which one's more delicious?
I don't know. I don't eat it in Korea. 한국에서 이거 먹을 일이 없으니까. Thank you. I used 2 giga.
Lucy already killed her data already.
Oh, stupid software update. It used 1.88 gigabyte.
The legend lives. Data killer is still
야!
data killer.
데이터 내 많이 안 썼거든.
Whole card, she just killed it. In what, 3 hours?
이건 내 폴트가 아니라고. 소프트웨어 업데이트.
How do you say it?
고추장.
That's how everyone says it.
아니야, 내 사투리 있다니까.
고추장.
아니라니까. Every bit of 고추장 다 넣어야 돼. 배가 너무 고파. 이거 하고 똠양 라면 끓여 먹어야겠다. 스트레스 받아서 안 되겠다. 잼기름을 넣어야지 맛있다. 내 배에서 소리 들려.
Was that your stomach? Oh my goodness.
나 배 너무 고파, 언니야.
Mix it up.
Yeah. Okay.
Try it.
아는 맛이 원래 더 맛있지 않아? 맛있다. 이건 미역도 들어가 있거든.
Nice. Bon appetit.
네. 좋습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. 이거 맛있다. 봐라. 이렇게 하면 안 되지. 참기름부터 먼저 넣는 사람이 어딨노?
내 마음이다.
Know me. Take the time to dig deep underneath this red heat. We could really meet. Lay